was a house built out of stone. Wooden floors, walls, and windowsills. Tables and chairs warmed by all
Don't you know? No one will ever hurt you again. You're safe now. You grew into something beautiful. My king of the north. We went everywhere together, and you trusted me with your life. Wasn't lonely anymore. He found a brother who loved him.
He finally found his pack, and he never had to be alone again. He eats like a king now because he finally belongs. His family rejected him, but he found his real pack with us.
Tell me, guys, what should I